me. Don't be bad, don't hurt me. Listen to me when I say I know what you did, so when you said you let go, did you ever think of me? But it's going through my mind that she's always